It's so hard for a girl to select pieces for their wardrobe. There are so many options: Indian, casual, formal, college outfits, internship outfits. So there should be a solution to have right kind of clothes that we can make most out of. So let's see the essentials. The basic of all the basic things is a white t-shirt. This one's in crop style, but you can pick any length. This one's from Zara, which costed me only rupees 500. But why spending so much on a piece of white plain cloth? Because you can later style it with different options in your closet and create a new look instantly. And if you have an oversized t-shirt in your closet, you can always give it a knot at front to give it some structure. T-shirts are a classic must-have in all of our wardrobes. I understand how cami tops are a big no for most of us, but again I style it with pants and a statement dupatta to make it more Indo-Western. You can do this trick with so many of your crop tops. You can have them in different basic colors to begin with. You can even wear a blazer on top of it. Have at least one blazer in your closet, as you can create so many different looks other than just a formal one. I also love throwing any transparent or any mesh top on top of my cami tops. One top helps me create so many looks, and that's the power of investing in basic pieces. Next are shirts. Have at least one or maximum 2 or 3 pieces of classic white formal shirts in your closet. I'll link affordable options for you guys in description box, so don't worry. A white shirt can be worn with pants, jeans, skirts and whatnot. Also try to invest in prints as to experiment a bit with your style. You can easily dress up or down in them and are perfect for every kind of occasion. I also have one crop shirt in cotton, but you can choose any length. It's like a bit casual and trendy at the same time, and if you want to wear something fun other than basic white shirts, this kind of option is just great for you. Try to have at least 2 to 3 formal pants, as they literally go with everything. You do not have to give it a lot of thought in styling as well, and works great for both formal and informal occasions. I also have one in white color. Having them in basic colors is just fine when you're building out your closet. These pieces save so much of our time and money later on. I realized this very late and a hard way, but it's actually true. I know we rarely wear Indian clothes these days, but try to invest in sharara pants or palazzo pants, as you can later mix match them with different options and create a fusion look of your own. If you are a shorts person, have one in denim and one in different color, maybe white or black. Have at least one option of it and you can create different looks like casual, formal, party and whatnot. I always search for trendy skirts online, but having one formal pencil skirt is a must. It just brings out your curves and goes on every type of body shape. You can also invest in a denim skirt like this one. You can choose any length. It's just that denims are a great way to dress up or down any look. Midi length skirts are also a great option to have in one's wardrobe. It's a very classic length and brings out the charm in you. If you want something trendy, ruffles or anything exaggeration going on works the best. They come in different lengths and I will link everything down for you guys. Invest in any good sports bra and leggings as well. I've had my experiences with cheap bought gym wear and I regret it till date. Investing in good sports brands might look expensive a bit, but they stay with you for longer period of time. My sports bra is from Decathlon and leggings from Adidas. Now let's talk about jeans. Basic ones should be any skinny jeans which fit you well. You can get jeans from Myntra, Cooves and Jabong. Next would be any white or black colored jeans to add a color into your wardrobe. Have a loose straight fit jeans as well, as it goes with lots of your tops and crop tops. This one's from Sarojini Nagar. Also have one sporty jeans like these joggers. They look very smart and different of course. Also have at least one shoulder bag, one black bag, a tan bag, sling bag and a small backpack as must-haves in your closet. And I will link the affordable options for you guys in description box. And lastly, for footwear, invest in at least one metallic heel. It could be silver or golden heel, one black heel, one for office wear, and one for daily wear. These are the must-haves that should be in everyone's closet. Other than this, also try to invest in one good sports shoes. Again, they may look pricey at the beginning, but they'll help you in a long run for very sure. So that's finally an essential video. I hope I covered almost everything, but if you want to ask me anything, you can always ask me your doubts in comments down below and I'll answer all of them. And if you enjoyed watching it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.